Okay, welcome guys, welcome to the weekly analysis of US dollar Swissy UF, right? Dollar franc, okay, dollar Swiss franc. So let's have a look at what happened this week with dollar franc. This was Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday. Okay, so as you can see, this pair was bullish throughout the week, and there was a great jump here on Thursday. I believe that was because of the interest rate decision of the Swiss bank. Let's have a look at that on the news that was on Thursday. Let's just have a look at that news this past week. If I'm not mistaken, I'm sure that's when it dropped. Wednesday, Thursday, where are we? Thursday, here we go. There you go. The interest rate decision for the fourth quarter. So they reduced interest rates, and as you can see, that was at 10:30. Let's see, when did the market move? Okay, 10:30. That was at 9. Okay, this is H1. Let me just go to M15. Okay, let's use candles for those who want to see that. Okay, so Thursday, what time did I say? That was at 10:30 on Thursday. Okay, 9 exactly, 10:15 to 10:30. So somewhere there, that's where the move happened, and dollar gained on Swiss franc. Okay, let's get to H1. So basically the Swissy was bearish the previous week, as you can see here. Okay, this is Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday. So it had hit this low on Friday. Okay, and looking as far back, it seems like from the way back then, but the previous week that was the low. So basically would be interested in seeing that, because remember, when the markets open, this is what we see. So it could have done anything, but it had been falling for some time. This was dollar franc. But so Monday, when you see this and you see he doesn't quite come to the previous low, then this support is still holding, and it's because there's nothing all here. So it's a proper support, not like saying this is support or something. No, it's the lowest low for quite some time. Okay, so Monday, Tuesday it went up, Wednesday and Thursday, but I think they kind of like already, you know, some guys have the tip of what's going to happen in the market, so already they started to buy. But the big push came there on Thursday with that interest rate decision. But basically you can see with that movement that already there was something which was in store. Okay, so it's continuing following the trend that dollar strengthened this entire week. Look at that trend line. Never underestimate trend lines, guys, because if you had drawn this trend line on Monday, Tuesday, you would have had a lovely entry. Now, if you've signed up with one of my recommended brokers and made a deposit, you'll be able to watch the rest of this video, where I'm now going to show the trades which you could have taken this week, okay, on dollar franc. So sign up and then you'll have access to the full video. So let's have a look at this now.